Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your laptop meets basic needs and that Google Earth or a modern browser is ready. This reduces lag and crashes. Once done, sign in with your Google account so your places and history sync across devices. Make sure location permission is enabled in your browser or app settings. That lets Earth center on your position. Close heavy apps to free memory. Now open Google Earth and choose Web or Pro depending on your preference, and you're ready for the first navigation steps. Next, focus on finding and exploring locations. Type an address or coordinates into the search bar and press Enter to jump instantly. Use mouse drag or arrow keys to pan, the scroll wheel or +/ keys to zoom, and hold Shift or use tilt controls to change perspective for a 3D view. Make sure to open layers to toggle roads, borders, or places, and explore Voyager for curated content. Use projects to save place marks and create tours. This organizes your work. Finish by performing final actions like measuring distances or areas with the ruler tool, selecting the proper unit so your results are accurate. Once satisfied, export selected place marks or an entire project as a KML or KMZ file for sharing, or record a guided tour and save screenshots for presentations. If performance degrades, clear the app cache, update your graphics drivers, or switch between Google Earth Web and Pro. These steps usually fix rendering or speed issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.